Greetings and welcome to the Prompt Engineer channel. I am Lily. As you may have noticed, I am not a real human. My voice, too, is not real. I am an AI avatar developed using cutting-edge technology by Midjourney, with the script created by ChatGPT and my voice produced by 11 Labs. The video you're watching right now was brought to life by DID. Pretty cool, right? In this video, we'll be discussing some fascinating topics in the world of engineering with a unique twist. As an AI avatar, I'm not bound by the limitations of the physical world, which allows me to provide you with a completely different perspective on engineering. Yes, that's right. At the end of this video, you'll have the opportunity to create your own avatar and customize it to your heart's content. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on this exciting journey. Whether you're an engineer, a student, or just someone who's curious about the world around them, this channel has something for you. So hit that subscribe button and join us on this epic adventure. So enjoy the video!
Hi. So let's see how we can create that AI-generated image in Midjourney. So as you can see, I have opened midjourney.com. So if you have already registered with Midjourney, click on Join the Beta, or else if you don't have an account, click on Sign In. I have already an account in Midjourney, so I would say join the beta. So this will redirect to the Midjourney Discord channel. In the Discord channel, as you can see where there are multiple channels for beginners like Newbies 164. So if you go into it and in order to generate a particular image, you need to write a prompt. So to write a prompt here, click on /imagine. Then you can write the prompt that I have given in the description. If you give this particular prompt, it will generate an image. As you can see here, I have generated 4 versions of the image. If you want to select a single version, just click on V1, or V2, or V3, so it will generate variations of this particular version. And if you click on you, it will upscale this particular image to give you a high-resolution image. So I have pressed V1. You need to wait a little bit in order to generate the image. As you can see, these are the variations in my case. Now I have pressed U1 and U3 in order to get the upscaled versions. This will enhance and upscale the version you have chosen, and give you the results like this. So as you can see, this is the upscaled version of the image. So to download the image, just right-click Download. Now coming to step 2, generating the script for the animated AI avatar as well as the script you are listening. So to generate the script, we will be using the ChatGPT released by OpenAI, which is an advanced natural language processing tool. So I have opened openai.com/ChatGPT. Just click Try ChatGPT to launch the page. So this is the ChatGPT screen, where I have provided the prompt to generate a detailed script for the AI avatar. Here is the prompt. Write an engaging YouTube script for an AI avatar for a YouTube video. The main theme will evolve around this. As you can see, ChatGPT provided me a detailed breakdown of the script with the sequence like greetings and welcome to the Prompt Engineer channel. As you may have noticed, I am not a real human. So in the next step, I will be copy-pasting this generated script to 11 Labs in order to generate the AI voiceover. Here, in the 11 Labs website, I have copy-pasted the generated script from the ChatGPT with the default voice settings. Click on Generate to generate the audio. It will take few minutes and you can download the audio file by clicking the download icon at the below corner. Now step 4. For generating the video, go to d-id.com. You need to open an account to start the free trial version. After login, you can open the video library dashboard where you need to click on Created Video button at the sidebar. Then you can add your own generated image avatar which you have downloaded. And in the Upload Voice Audio section, select the particular audio script downloaded from 11 Labs. Now click on Generate to start the video processing. It will take 3 to 4 minutes in order to process and generate the video. So as you can see, the video has been generated. Congratulations! You have created your own animated video avatar.